Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee. To begin your journey to a perfect cup, always prioritize fresh, high-quality coffee beans. Grinding your beans right before brewing is crucial. It locks in those wonderful aromas and flavors that can quickly dissipate. Furthermore, using filtered water is a simple yet impactful step. It prevents any unwanted tastes from tap water, ensuring your coffee's true profile shines through. These foundational steps are key to a truly enjoyable coffee experience. Now, let's explore some popular brewing methods. Drip coffee makers are fantastic for their ease and consistency, perfect for your everyday routine. If you prefer a more robust and full-bodied cup, the French press is an excellent choice, immersing the grounds completely. For those who enjoy a cleaner, brighter flavor and appreciate a hands-on approach, pour-over brewing offers incredible control over the extraction process. Each method brings its own unique character to your coffee. Achieving the perfect cup involves a few key variables. First, water temperature is vital. Aim for between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal extraction. Next, consider your coffee-to-water ratio. A good starting point is 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water. Finally, grind size matters significantly. A finer grind is ideal for espresso, while a coarser grind works best for methods like the French press. Experiment to find your sweet spot. To truly perfect your coffee journey, don't be afraid to experiment. Explore various roasts and origins. You might discover a new favorite flavor profile. Proper storage is also essential. Keep your whole beans in an airtight container, away from direct light and heat, to maintain freshness. Lastly, remember to clean your brewing equipment regularly. This simple habit prevents residue buildup and ensures every cup you brew is as delicious and consistent as the last. Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.